Hello, in this lesson I am going to cover what Litecoin is. So what is Litecoin? What the hell is Litecoin? Let's underline that first. So Litecoin is a cryptocurrency. I think you've already guessed that much, even if you don't know anything about cryptocurrencies. It is not HN, it is inspired by Bitcoin. It uses segregated witness. I covered this in a separate video. It essentially is to handle the scalability issue of Bitcoin. It also uses the Lightning Network. Again, it's regarding scalability of the network. So it uses the Lightning Network. And also, LTC is the shorthand for Litecoin, just as BTC is Bitcoin. What else we got? We got ETH is Ethereum. We have the XRP is the Ripple. And what I have here is literally I have the chart of the price of Litecoin. So this is the history of Litecoin. So obviously various aspects of this chart mean different things, like the green line essentially refers to the dollar price, and the orange line essentially refers to it as like a comparison with the Bitcoin price. So as you can see, it is very volatile. In many ways, the volatility is more, maybe less than Bitcoin, depending on how you look at it. So why would you want to use it? Okay, it's a cryptocurrency, so it's Bitcoin. It's inspired by Bitcoin, or Bitcoin is inspired by Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Bitcoin, and uses segregated witness, which even Bitcoin now has started using. Uses the Lightning Network. Why would you want to use it? So here is one of the reasons. I've only got one reason. I'm only joking. I've got more than one reason. One of the reasons why you want to use it. It has a greater number of transactions that can be processed in a given time. That's fantastic. And this can help reduce bottleneck, especially during peak hour, whenever that might be for the platform. Payments occur roughly, my pen has stopped working, roughly 4 times as fast, which, as you can imagine, that is quite a big deal. So payments occur roughly 4 times as fast. Bitcoin is roughly 10 minutes, and Litecoin is roughly 2.5 minutes. Overall, it is roughly the same. So what about market cap? So what about the market cap? The market cap of Litecoin is $3 billion. So not as big as Bitcoin's $100 billion, but still reasonable. Its price is, can you guess the price? I doubt you can, unless you already know. Is $55. So this is as of 2017, October 2017, that is. So it might be different whenever you're watching it, but honestly, it's overall very similar. There really isn't much more to say about Litecoin as a currency other than this. So it's worth checking out because the landscape for cryptocurrencies is very new. There are a bunch of them out there. I've already covered several in this series. I'll be covering more as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I would usually say feel free to go through the video again and check out the concepts that we covered. But honestly, we didn't cover much, so you probably got it in your first go. If you didn't, feel free to go over it again. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next lesson.